I've been in the Canary Islands for about 2 weeks now, and last week I was over on Fuerteventura for the PKRA Racing World Cup, in which I ended up third, and then flew over here to Tenerife, and we had the PKRA Wave World Cup this last weekend, and I ended up second, so pretty stoked. I came to the Canaries with some new gear. I just brought a set of new Rebels, 7, a 9, and a 12, as well as a couple new surfboards, the Whip and the Wham. Yeah, we had really strong wind in Fuerte for the racing, so I didn't really need anything bigger. And yeah, the Rebels got me around the race course quickly. And then flew over here to Tenerife last weekend, and we had the wave comp, and it's really no surprise to me that the Rebels work in the surf, because that's what I use all the time. But it's pretty cool to see that they work equally well in both disciplines. Yeah, I'm super stoked with how the new production surfboards feel. I spent a lot of time this past winter designing the surfboards and bringing them to production. And it's pretty cool to not only to be riding my own design in this contest, but also to be riding a full production board. And not really wanting anything more. The boards felt great, and I wouldn't have wanted anything different. In the past few years, I've been focusing most of my energy on wave riding, but I've also started racing a little bit, and both disciplines are really fun in their own way. I guess I just enjoy sort of mixing it up and riding different equipment and just exploring different aspects of the sport.